Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove background noise from your recordings in BandLab so your vocals sound clean and professional. First of all, open the BandLab and select the project with the audio you want to clean. Make sure your track is recorded or imported already. First of all, open the BandLab and make sure your device is connected to the internet and you have connected your account to the Google or Facebook. After that, create a new project. Here you can import file or import your voice or audio, or if you have already your project, simply open that. Right now I will open the import the file from the folder, then the track will be available. Now to reduce the or remove the background noise from your recording, click the FX button at the side. You'll see the FX button, click on that. After clicking the FX button, this opens BandLab effects menu. Now add noise gate/noise reduction. Scroll through the effect and select noise gate or noise reduction, or you can search from here. After you have done that, higher threshold removes more background noise but may cut quieter parts of your voice. Lower threshold keeps more natural sound while reducing noise. Now step 4 is to preview and adjust and play back your track and fine-tune the setting until your voice is clear and free of unwanted noises. And that's it, your vocals are now clean and ready to shine. And like, share and subscribe if you want more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next one.